Okay, let's start to create a EC2, a virtual machine. Yeah, today we're gonna do a demo of the Windows Server. Okay, create a Windows Server VM instance. Okay, the first thing is I log in as my account over here. Alright, the first thing I would like to check, I have a drop-down menu. I want to see my billing information. So if it's 0, that's fine. Another bill, another video we show you how to set up the budget and how to check the bills. Okay, so now we have nothing here, so that's good. So I'm going to go to click on the AWS on the top left corner, go back to the main menu here. If you I click on the AWS Management Console, AWS services, there's all services. Take a look here. All of the services here, right? They are category called compute, container, and the storage, and the database, and the migration, transfer, and the last one is networking and the content delivery. Okay, so they are the function that today what we're gonna get involved with the EC2. We're gonna create one EC2. That means EC2 is standard for Elastic Cloud Compute EC square or EC2, right? Now, and then it's going to be built on the default of the VPC, okay, Virtual Private Cloud. That's the network portion. So you can tell that we allocate an EC2 instance. That's what kind of service model is on. Infrastructure as a services model. Okay. Now let's go to EC2. I'm going to click on EC2. Okay, EC2 main menu show up here. On the left side, you can take a look at the EC2's availability, what it can do here. The first thing we're going to click on the instance. Okay, this screen here is showing the instance here, and I have nothing over here. So instance, this is the menu. I have one earlier, so let's what is that? I'm going to, it's terminated. Oh, okay, it's terminated. Okay, I did that earlier, so I'm going to just go ahead to create the other one. I'm going to launch instance. There are 7 steps. Okay, the first one is choose the template. Okay, called Amazon Machine Image here. There are 4 options you can do. Okay, but today what we're going to do is we're going to choose the free tiers. Okay, and we're going to build there's Unix, Mac. I don't think there's a Mac have a free one. Today we're going to choose the Microsoft Windows Server 2019 based. Okay, we're going to select that one. Alright, the second step here, hardware machine type is T2.micro. This one have one virtual CPU and a 1 gig memory. Okay, and the hard drive that we can add it in here, but anyway, that's hard drive. Okay, elastic block storage. So click on configuration details. Now this one is configuration instance. Network, that's what you concerned about, is network, subnet, and the auto assign public. It default give us the information that we can directly connect it. Okay, so what is that? This default VPC, default network. Okay, and then there's a subway. I'm sorry. There's a subnet. Okay, under this zone have 6 subnet. Okay, means it's 6 data center. Okay, and then the last one is auto assign public IP. We need a public IP in order for us to SSH or remote desktop to access our server. Okay, so I'm going to click on add storage next step. storage I'm going to skip. Okay, this is default storage is SSD hard drive right now. Next one is add tag. Add tag, I'm going to ask for the name. I type the name as a key. The value is called WinServer 2019. Okay. A security group is a firewall. This firewall, in terms of associated with the EC2 with the server, is what? It's doing the port, allow the port. Okay. The default is allow one RDP port open. Okay. You can add a rule to, for example, you want to add. I click on the drop-down menu of the custom TCP. You can allow, for example, HTTP. All right. Allow HTTP port open and then allow source custom. This is 0.0.0.0/0. This side block is every IP address of the IPv4 version and IPv6 version. All right. So I'm gonna just remove that. Okay. Machine type and the security and the launch. Okay. This is the part the first. I'm going to create a new password, create a new key pairs. Okay. And the key pair use RSA encryption type. Okay. So I would say this one is a 470 CST 4715 keys. Okay. And then I'm going to download the key pair now. Okay. Download key pair. This key pair you have to keep. You're going to save. Time you have to read that. Okay. The public key and the private key. We own the private key, and then AWS own the public key. Why we need that? Because we are going to generate a key. Okay, this is generate key. Generate key. What kind of key? Use the key to generate a administrator password for the Windows server. Okay, it's not like we log into our classrooms machine and then everybody's hello, right? So it doesn't work this way here. So I'm going to, and I did it before earlier. This is a key, is a pen file, .pem files. Okay, so let's go it. I'm going to launch this instance, and this key has to be kept in the safe place. Only do one time for this instance. Okay. It takes a little bit of time. Instance is now launching. Let's view instance. Okay, instance now. Here's the pending here. You can highlight this one, highlight the left side box. You can see the detailed. Okay. In the meantime, I would like to know your IP address. Okay, this is the IP address. Later on, we're gonna type in the IP config to make sure IP address is this one. And this one, you going down here, you can, I want to know which subnet it belongs to. Okay, this IP. Remember, we have a 6 subnet range. Okay, it doesn't show up here. Must be in the routing table. All right. Security. Now it's running now. Okay, it's running here now. So I just want to quickly take a look at the security, inbound, outbound rule, networking. IP address. I will show private IP address. I'm going to handwrite in here. 31 172.31.83.190. Okay. And okay, subnet is over here. Okay, so I'm going to click on subnet. You will go to the subnet table. Subnet table, you go to this range. Mine is 83.190. Okay, so this is I'm under 1D US East 1D data center. Okay, data center here. So just want to let you know. Now let's go back to EC2. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong place. Let's type EC2. It's not global. EC2 global too big. Let's go type in EC2. Now this is running. Now I'm running now here, right? And then I'm going to connect. Oh, I have to highlight it. I have to highlight on the left side box so I can connect. All right, connect. Use RDP. Right. Now I will get the password here. I will click on get password. Password is not available. Close. Let me see. It's not available yet. So highlight that and do one more time. Click connect. RDP. Okay, I want to get password. Okay, now second time it showed here because my key. I want to browse my key pair called CST 4715 key.pem file. Okay, it's under here. Okay, I downloaded it earlier, right? So it's PEM files. So it downloaded to here. This is your private key and encrypted with ISA encryption private key here. All right, so encrypted. I copy that. I type it encrypted, and the password shows up here. So I'm going to just hit the copy, a password copy. I'm going to copy that. Okay, and then run the RDP. And the password I'm going to paste. Okay. Now I log in now. So this IP, it shows up here. Now let me just want to show you quick here. Okay, my screen is not a full screen, so I have to just move a little bit. Let's type in IP config here. CMD. So now you are in here. Now I'm going to just go ahead to terminate it. So I'm going to go back to EC2. Okay, this is a 1D, so you can tell that. Now I click on that. I'm going to go to instance state. I'm going to stop. Okay, instance. You see when I stop, that RDP is gone. And instance state, I'm going to terminate it so you won't get charged. Otherwise, that service, that instance is still there. Okay. Now you want to wait until it terminated. If you don't see it terminated, you have to go back there. Okay, then do one more time. Okay, after maybe several minutes. So make sure you don't get charged. Okay. So this, okay, it's terminated now. Okay, so you see that there's a signal here. Okay, so this is the EC2, a very short example that we built. We leasing, we on demanding for one Windows server, and then we terminated. Okay.